I'll make a ubi cake today. I made ubi from scratch, from real ubi. It's my birthday today, January 7, 2025. And I'm 50 years old. 50 plus years old. Hey! Guangarj. Na siya. Ubi na siya. Real. Agay. Real ubi. Real ubi. Real ubi na siya. What happened to me? From my friend M. Shepherd. You need my help? Sleepy? I never had this when I was in the Philippines. We have the regular gabi. Never had this one. Regular gabi. See you later, sweetie. It's gonna be done when you come back. Yeah. Did you answer yet? Nice. Nice headband, baby. Look at you. Such a cutie. Good boys. What? Add 1 cup water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil. How many eggs? 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Ooh, what is that? Here in Florida, we can grow everything in our backyard. Oh boy, this is how it is. Ooh, this looks like the gabi. Gabi, like the texture is sticky and like that. The texture. I think I will use this for maybe it's not gonna be a good texture for the cake. I will use the soft part. Then the other one, maybe I'll make a crispy ubi. See, this one I'll use the soft part. This is the main root. Like, this is the main root crop. It's a big one. So maybe a little bit like deep in the soil, so it has this texture. So I will use this for another. Maybe put condensed milk in it. Condensed milk. Okay, this one. It's my first time making an ubi cake. I made banana bread last week. It turns out good. So we'll see this one. And this one is this is like the root, the crop that was really in the deep soil. Oh, right here. I'm making my ubi cake out of the original ubi, the ubi root crop. Alright, that's good. This one I'll save that for another recipe. Okay. Hanky. Okay. So I'm gonna smash it. I'm gonna smash this one. Smash it. Smash. Gonna smash it. Smash. If you order a cake from the Filipino ubi cake from a Filipino restaurant, here it'll cost you like 35 to 40 bucks. So I'll make it my own since I have this ubi. Since my friend gave me this ubi. A lot of work. No, it's not a lot of work. I already have here the by the way, guys, happy new year to you all. 2025 is gonna be great. So this is my last chapter of page 5. We're gonna turn the next one. Yeah. We have the ubi halaya here, but I'm not mixing it because it's been here for a while. While this one is fresh from the garden, fresh from M's farm. Now I'm gonna add this preheat oven to 300. It's only 325 degrees. 350 degrees. Heat oven to 350 degrees to shiny meat or glass pan, or 325 for drumstick pan. Metal pan, grease bottom. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is a lot. How many pounds is this? It's a super moist. This is a vanilla. Vanilla. So I think it's already sugar added in this, because it only says add eggs and oil. Add eggs, oil, and water. 3 eggs and vegetable oil. Okay, then I'm gonna add 3 eggs. Three eggs or 2 eggs? 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. She brought me lemongrass, tangad, and moringa, kamunggay. So I made yesterday, the other day, wait a minute, Saturday, oh, she brought you Sunday, I made Sunday. It's very good. Tinolang manok. Okay, I will just add a vanilla, just a little vanilla extract. There. I don't want a lot. And then water. And then whisk it. Whisk it. And whisk it. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be yummy. Oh, I did not put the oil. Instead of vegetable oil. Ay, there's so many eggs in here. 3. Instead of a vegetable oil, I use olive oil. Not a lot, like that. Ooh, this looks good. More water. Okay. Look at this. Look at the color. Look at that color. Then I'm gonna bake it 350 for only 30 minutes. How many minutes it says? 12 minutes until it's cooked. Alright guys, I'm gonna preheat the oven. Preheat the oven 350. Bake 350. Alright. Yummy. It's a nice color. It's a nice confetti color. What is this? Look at this. Look at that. That. Alright. That's all for my vlog today, folks. I will vlog again when it's done. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday to me.